What's up, geocachers? This is Keats94 and welcome to South Burnaby. We are in Kaymar Creek Park. Behind us we have Zeppelin94 and we have Seahawks fan 91, also known as Dakota. Follow him on Instagram, Seahawks91. And we are out geocaching and doing some really interesting caches. We're going to be doing a lot of high up caches. So actually, you can kind of see one right now. That is one of the geocaches that we'll be finding and signing the log very soon. And it's gonna be fun, so y'all ready for this?
Oh, I see.
Dakota's bringing down the geocache. Whoa!
This is my 9,535th geocache. And it is a Christmas tree ornament, in my opinion.
Nice. So, like I said, we are going to be doing some very nice high terrain geocaching, as they call it. Except most of the caches we can easily access on the trail, but we have to use one of these long sticks to be able to grab them from the branches way up above. So it'll be interesting. Stay tuned.
Okay, geocachers, this is Keats94. He's going to attempt to get that thing way up there in the sky.
Without getting the hanger in my eyes.
Viewer discretion is advised. Do not try this at home, even though you can't because it's outside. That's Kyle.
Oh. I don't see it. Oh, there it is.
Keats,
don't even need the
Keats has an accent now, by the way.
Oh.
He's got it, Mr. Keats. Can he do it?
He doesn't need the hanger.
Yeah, he's dying while he's doing it. Yeah.
I see it.
Look at him. He's risking his own life to get that green thing there. Oh,
that green thing is his bait. I think I'm focusing.
He's focusing. That's good, because if he didn't, he would be dead. He's got it. This is what geocaching is all about.
Hey, what are you doing there? Hey. Oh, hey.
Leave.
I thought you were the cops or
I
something.
was honestly
You got the wrong tool, man. I didn't read my logs on this. We were bamboozled.
Ah, very good. All right, let me just try to. Wait, hold on. I see it.
He sees it.
I may have to get rid of the coat. Wait.
And he still hasn't got it.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, wait, I got it.
He's finally got it.
Victory! All for that little friggin' container.
This is going to bring the ratings to his YouTube channel.
Nice. I think we got a geocache, folks.
It's a green thing.
Almost there. Hey. Nice. Well done. On our way back to another geocache, armed with a ladder and a pole, and Dakota here. Yeah, it's gonna be good. So you can probably notice a theme with all the geocaches that we're looking for right now. They are really high up in trees. And one could say that they are super winter friendly. We ran into fellow geocacher, Mr. Gigabyte and Mrs. Gigabyte. And so it was nice to see them. They helped us bring down some of the caches. Fun fact, in Eastern Canada, especially in Nova Scotia, you might find in geocaching hints the initials WF, which stands for winter friendly. These caches are very winter friendly. Up yonder where the buffalo roam. We're on.
Work boots. Yeah, hiking boots.
Brought our work boots out. We're going to be doing some
We weren't sure if it's going to be really
hardcore
muddy and stuff,
geocaching,
so
folks.
we're these now, so it's,
This is the woods of South
I
Burnaby.
would if I was doing a hike.
This is what we have to hike up.
Yeah, true.
And with the ladder, got my ladder, because these geocaches are really high up. Can we get a thumbs up?
Yeah,
Woo!
we're going up the trail.
Going up a trail.
We're 47 meters away.
Have to look way up. Look up. Look way up. And I'll call the geocache guy.
Do this one.
No problem.
You set up the ladder.
The two geocaches are walking to the tree, trying to retrieve the geocache that is way up there. They are struggling to find a good grip on the geocache.
This is not the prettiest of views.
Yes, we are geocaching pioneers. We have traveled the land far and wide across the great city of Burnaby, British Columbia.
Safe to say, I'm a little bit stuck.
Oh, it's almost got. Oh, it's coming down the pole. Yes. Oh, you got it. That's right. Good there, bud.
I got it. It's a. I have no idea.
Let's see what we found here.
It's a bomb. It's a bomb. Dynamite.
Some people call it scuba containers. Those weird looking like they're like reverse bison tubes. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I think it worked.
Oh, Keats has done it. Look at that. It's absolutely amazing.
I almost fell there.
Mr. Morton. Morton, here's a moo right there.
Morton, here's a whoo.
No, Morton, here's a moo right there.
Don't mind us. We're just walking with a big long pole and ladder up the street.
And you're
No
just
biggie.
handyman. We are doing renovations.
With absolutely no landscaping vehicle
actually
whatsoever. So we found our way down to the trail, and we are still carrying tools of the trade, the tots, T-O-T-Ts as they say. We have a creek beside us here, and we got ourselves Mr. Zeppelin 94 and Seahawks fan 91 walking down the trail. Aha! We found it! See that little thing? Way up there! Mr. 94 is gonna bring it down for us, I believe.
Skinny one.
It's a little skinny one.
You might need a.
Yeah, there we go. It's gonna fall to the ground and hopefully we can find it. Oh. Boom! Geocache. Oh look, there's a geocache on Kyle's head. Look at that. Oh, what's going over Dakota's head? Oh my god. Oh, what? What is this sorcery? It's a floating geocache. It's right there, Kyle. You should look up. There it is. That's a find. That is a find.
All right, folks, this is Keats94. He's going to put the geocache back. This is Kaymar Creek number 5 by Smittram P. Folks,
Steady hands.
this video features a 20-foot painting pole that we acquired at Canadian Tire in Burnaby, British Columbia. Thank you, Canadian Tire, for supplying the TOTT.
That's how it's done, folks. Have you seen some of them Sam Squanches over there?
Oh my God! It's a Sam Squanch!
What was that? Today we are observing the ancient ruins of South Burnaby. Here we are observing a culvert emptying water into eventually the Fraser River. And by the way, happy birthday, Bob. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. All right. Folks, thanks so much for watching another episode of Keats94’s Geocaching Adventures. Like, subscribe, and share. Tune in every Fridays at 10 a.m. to watch a brand new episode. I don't even know where I'm going to be. I honestly have no clue. So, tag along with me for some fun geocaching trips.
We're up to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. He is the Wizard of Oz, whenever the Wizard of Oz, whenever the Wizard of Oz, the Wizard of Oz. Because, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We're off to see the wonderful Wizard of Oz.